Dealing with a disorganized PDF file? With Wave PDF, assembling and organizing your PDF pages is quick and easy. Click on this Assemble Pages button and drag the pages to the desired location. Let's drag this third page at the beginning of the PDF. Click Save button, and it's done. As you can see, the third page has been moved at the beginning of the PDF. You can also rotate, delete, merge, and split or extract selected pages from this document assembly panel. Let's rotate this page clockwise. As you can see, the page has been rotated clockwise. Let's rotate it back to its original orientation. Send us a request on email or WhatsApp to get a 3 months trial completely free.